Hello, fellow explorers of the digital frontier. Ernis here, ready to embark on another journey into the heart of cutting-edge research. Today, we're strapping on our zero-code jetpacks and blasting off to explore the rapidly evolving landscape of LLM application development. The thesis of the paper is captivating. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast digital savanna. What if anyone, regardless of their coding skills, could conjure sophisticated AI applications? That's exactly what the authors, Patnaik and Bora, are investigating in their paper. Review of Tools for Zero-Code, LLM-Based Application Development. Let's dive in, shall we? Think of this paper as a meticulously crafted map, guiding us through a dense jungle of platforms. We'll use our mental memory palace to keep track of things. First stop, the Grand Entrance Hall, the Taxonomy of Zero-Code, LLM platforms. Now, imagine this hall divided into two wings. One glittering wing is labeled Dedicated LLM Platforms. Think OpenAI's custom GPT-S, Bolt.new, and FlowEyes. These are the thoroughbreds, built from the ground up with LLMs in mind. The other wing has general no-code platforms, like Bubble and Glide. These are your trusty Swiss Army knives. Versatile platforms that have now integrated LLM capabilities, like adding a turbo-charged AI-powered engine to a classic car. Let's explore the first wing. Remember, each room in our palace holds a key detail. In the first room, we have interface type. What's the user experience like? Is it a conversational chat, a visual flow diagram like FlowEyes, or a traditional GUI builder? Think of it as choosing your spaceship's control panel. Next, we stroll into the output type room. Does the platform primarily spit out chatbots, full-blown applications, or automated workflows? Is it a friendly robot assistant, a fully functional lunar lander, or just a set of automated instructions? And finally, we arrive at the customizability room. How much can you tweak and extend the platform's capabilities? Can you inject your own code, or are you confined to pre-set options? Is it like assembling a Lego set or sculpting a cosmic masterpiece from clay? You might be wondering, okay, Ernis, but what can these platforms actually do? Excellent question. That brings us to the heart of our journey. Let's head to the next section of the paper. Core features and capabilities. Imagine a massive control room, filled with blinking lights and whirring gears. This is where the magic happens. The first console we see is agent support. Can the platform create autonomous agents that break down tasks and use tools? Think of it as building your own personal army of tiny, AI-powered helpers, each with their own unique skill set. Then we have the memory and knowledge integration console. Can the platform remember past interactions and access external knowledge bases? Is it like giving your AI agent a brain and access to the entire library of Alexandria? Let's not forget the workflow and control logic console. Can you orchestrate complex workflows with branching logic and conditional statements? Is it like building a Rube Goldberg machine that uses AI to make toast? And last but not least, the API integration and tool connectivity console. Can the platform connect to external services and APIs? Is it like giving your AI agent the ability to control the entire internet? Now, before we get too carried away, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Trade-offs and limitations. Just like any technology, these zero-code LLM platforms aren't without their quirks. Picture a room filled with warning signs and flashing lights. This is where we confront the limitations. First, there's limited customizability versus flexibility. No-code platforms, by their very nature, restrict the range of features and integrations. It's like trying to build a spaceship out of cardboard boxes. You can get surprisingly far, but you'll eventually hit a wall. Then there's the issue of scalability and performance. Workflows involving multiple LLM calls can be slow and expensive at scale. It's like trying to power a city with a hamster wheel. And of course, we can't forget about vendor lock-in and data ownership. Relying on proprietary platforms risks locking you into their ecosystem. It's like building your house on quicksand. Finally, there's the quality and reliability of AI outputs. LLMs can generate inaccurate or unpredictable results. It's like trusting a toddler to drive a car. So, where does all of this leave us? The paper concludes by comparing zero-code LLM platforms to traditional and low-code development approaches. It acknowledges that these platforms offer incredible productivity and accessibility, but they also trade off fine-grained control, flexibility, and robustness. Think of it as the difference between driving a race car and riding a scooter. Both can get you from A to B, but they offer vastly different experiences and capabilities. And as we pull into the cosmic spaceport of knowledge, that's our tour. The authors suggest that the future lies in a hybrid model. Fast prototyping with no-code tools, followed by productionization with traditional engineering. It's like sketching out your dream house with Legos before hiring an architect to build it for real. So, go forth, explore, and create. The future of AI application development is in your hands. Whether you're a seasoned coder or a curious newcomer, until next time, keep exploring the PaperLedge.